Alright guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. Prior to the previous video that we made concerning this project called Meta Earth. So in this particular one, I want to show you guys how to perform your daily check-in. Because that is another way we stand to earn more MEC tokens. Okay, so and if you refer as well, you stand a chance of getting 0.1 MEC token as well, and one MEC token is equivalent to $4 right now in their P2P market. Okay, so you see what they wrote up. You still need to check in today. Please do so as soon as you can. You guys can see the pop-up right here. So you have to be checking in every day to be earning more MEC tokens. Okay, so this is how to do that. Once your app is verified, once you have done your Me ID, which is the facial verification, then this particular check-in portal will be unlocked for you. So every day, this is what you have to do. You come to this place that they wrote check-in day 3 or Me My Way daily check-in. So click on Me My Way daily check-in. You tap on it. Okay, so this is where you'll be getting the activities of the check-in so far. On chain check-in, you can still see it right here. Either you click on Me My Way first or you click on check-in day 3 immediately. Then you will get the option to check in. They are all the same thing. So you click on check-in day 3. This is how to check in. So this is what they wrote right here. Me My Way, enhance happiness for a better life, maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. Now this is what they want us to do. They say fill in according to the slogan above. Okay, so Me My Way. Then you have to know the first words right here. Me My Way dash happiness for a better life. Maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. So this is the first letter word right here. Enhance. You guys can see. So this particular blank right here, you just have to write enhance. Okay, you can see enhance happiness for a better life. So you just have to follow it up what is over here and find the missing word right here and fill it. Very simple. So we just have to write enhance. So let's do this. You tap on the button, you write enhance. Don't use this Google selected completion. Just make sure you write it complete by yourself. Now this is it. Enhance happiness for a better life, maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. So now the button is open for us to check. So you click on check in. They say confirm. You click on confirm. Then I will make use of my biometrics and I'll wait for them to confirm my check-in. You guys can see pending right here. It's pending. Let's wait for them to confirm it. Beautiful. You can see congratulations, check-in successful. So this is what you should be doing every 24 hours. Make sure you come here and do your daily check-in, okay, so that you'll be earning more MEC tokens. And that is just that. So for those of you guys talking about the referral details that they cannot get their referral details, this is the referral details right here. So let me click on invite. This is where you will get your referral link and your referral code. But before you can be able to get this particular interface, you have to make sure that your facial verification is already active. If they have not verified your Me identity, you are not going to access that referral portal. Hope it's clear. Okay, for those of you guys that are having it as an issue, it's not an issue. Once your Me ID facial verification is verified, then you can be able to access your referral dashboard. Then you can be able to start bringing in people and start earning. That proves that you are a full member of the community and you are a human, not a bot. Okay, so that is just the latest update right here. So, and if you know you have not joined this particular project, I'll still be leaving the link in the description section and also the comment section of this video. Get on board immediately, verify your facial ID through this particular section, start checking in daily, start bringing in your family and friends, and start earning MEC tokens every day. So one MEC tokens, like I said earlier, is equal to $4 in their P2P market. So if you can be able to get few pieces of it, you know what it really worth. Okay, so that's just it. And in our next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to trade these MEC tokens to USDT or your local currency, then cash out in any of your exchange of your choice or your local Naira or any local bank account. Okay, so that is just that. Really fun value right here. Don't forget to give your boy a thumbs up. If this is your first time coming across our channel, do it to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any information coming from our channel. So with that being said, I'll be leaving you guys here. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and bye for now.